Alright everyone and YouTube, there are no firearms in this video or in this shooting shed, just a bunch of air guns. Alright, what we're doing, we're going to take on, I already took it on but I have not posted it, take on the challenge of shooting that shotgun shell with my CROSMAN 2300S with the brand new O-Sight red dot, the 3 MOA and the 32 MOA circle. I have it zeroed in pretty good, so let's see what happens. Can zoom in on that shotgun shell. There it is. You can see it's all dinged up. I just need to hit the primer. All right, here we go. We're loaded up. Take the safety off. Take the protective cover off the red dot. It's a shake and awake, so. All right, let's see. Got my safety glasses on. Will and Testament is updated. Oof. I really want this thing to go off, but man, first I gotta hit it. Where the heck am I hitting? Hit the mirror. I got some ricochets back. That is risky. Go, Johnny, go. Johnny BB. Bad, I guess. That worked really well. A little 177